Okay, this is Talapneni Maharshi, CSC B section. My EVS case study topic is waste management. Waste management is the interactive in collecting and transporting, disposing garbage, sewage, and other waste materials. Waste management is the process of treating solid waste and offers variety of solutions for recycling items that don't belong to trash. Practice of waste management are made for developing nation, urban to rural, and resistance in industrial setup. Two types of waste management. The first one is recyclable waste. Milk cartons, bottles, plastic sheets, and paper cord and packing paper. Non-recyclable waste, fruit and vegetable peels and medicine waste, old tablets and syrup bottles used again. What happened to the waste in landfill? A landfill is a site of disposal glass waste of waste materials. Garbage in a landfill does decompose albeit slowly in a scaled oxygen free environment. Because of the lack of the oxygen, bacteria in waste produce methane gas. Now, next the gas, which is highly flammable and dangerous, is allowed to collecting underground. It's also a potent gas, greenhouse gases, and contributes to global warming. Almost thirds of landfill waste is biodegradable. This waste is decomposes and produces harmful gases. Landfill also pollute the local environment. Recycling. Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into new harmful gases. Objects of waste are either recycled, made into compost, or even turned into electricity. There are three types of recycling also as a primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary recycling means used without being changed in anywhere and usually for the every purpose. Secondary recycling means the material used in same other way without replacing, while tertiary recycling refers to a process that involves a chemical alternating of the medical in order to make reusable. Saves energy. Manufacturing new products uses a lot of energy. Recycling uses rather less amount of energy needed. It also keeps potentially methane releasing waste out of landfill sites. Producing aluminium from old products uses 95% less energy than making it from scratch. Making paper from polluted recyclable paper uses 40% less energy than making it from virgin wood fibers. Reducing carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases emission is vital for stopping destroys climate change. Recycling means using less energy and resourcing processing new materials. It produces lower carbon emission. It also keeps potentially methane releasing waste out of landfill sites. Reducing carbon dioxide, other greenhouse gases being emitted into the atmosphere is vital for stopping destroys climate change. Next one is compost. Compost are decayed organic material used as a fertilizer for growing plants. Compost helps to hold it all together, forming tiny soil particles into larger clumps that make the soil easier to work. Compost requirements are compost size, air, moisture for mate, size, given matter, dry matter, heat. Compost should have a lot of humans and nutrients. Compost forms when soil microorganisms such as clothworms consumes organic materials and in the process break them down into a form that plants can of the major plant nutrients but better than the harmful fertilizers. The next one is the solid waste management. Solid waste management is defined as landfilling, inclination, resource recovery, recycling, reuse, source reduction. These are also least permitted. This is also known as this. This is depending on arrow mark. Landfilling and inclination resource recovery is known as waste disposed. The example of the solid waste management. Thank you for this.